Hello students, Callie Daniels here, and in this video we're going to take a look at your MyLab Math homework and some of the help features. From within your Canvas course, you can access your assignments in a couple of ways. The first way, you might simply click the Assignments tab on the left side of your screen, and then select a homework assignment that you want to work on. And then begin working through your problems from there and using those links within your assignments. The other way that you can access your homework assignment is by clicking the MyLab and Mastering tab in Canvas. You open MyLab and Mastering. And then you can go from there. And I actually prefer this approach because with this approach you can see the entire MyLab screen with all of the options on the left side of your screen. So you can see your beginning algebra, e-text, and you can open any of the chapters. You can access your homework, quizzes, and tests. You do have a grade book within MyLab Math, and all of your grades will be synced over into Canvas, not exactly as you do them, but within about 15 to 30 minutes you should see grades go over into Canvas. You've got a multimedia library, which is really cool within MyLab Math. I challenge you to watch some section lecture videos or PowerPoint presentations if you need some additional help. There's also a print offer within MyLab Math. If you want to purchase the printed version of your textbook, be sure to choose the correct one. If you're taking beginning or intermediate algebra, then you want to select that link. Okay, if you happen to be in a pre-algebra class, you want to select that link. There's a student success module and some accessible resources, which I will leave that up to you. Okay, I'm going to select the homework tab, and I'm going to open, let's say I open the section 2.1 homework assignment. So every homework assignment works like this. Now be sure to open your e-text, which you can access through this link on the left side of your homework list. And I like to open that e-text and sort of slide it out of the way, and then open my homework questions and move that to the other side of my screen. And I believe my e-text just, popped behind a few other things. I've got multiple screens open here. Okay, so I've opened my e-text and I've slid it to the left side of the screen. I've got my homework open on the right side of the screen. And when you click that e-text link, it's going to take you to the exact section that you're working homework problems from. So you can read along through your text as you work the related problems. A couple other features. You can get more help by asking your instructor. That's me. If you click this button, it's going to send a link to my email, and I'll be able to see the homework problem that you're working on and provide some guidance. You can print your assignments if you'd like to do that. You can use the View an Example feature that's just going to walk you through a related example. Or you can use the Help Me Solve This feature, and what that's going to do is help you solve this actual problem that you're working on, but then it's going to give you a different problem to work on. One last thing that I do want to mention here within the homework is, if you answer a problem incorrectly, you can work a similar problem to still get full credit for that problem, and I'll show you quickly how that works. In this problem, we want to decide whether each is an expression or an equation, and if it's an expression, simplify it. If it's an equation, solve it. Actually, that problem is going to take multiple parts, so let me click over and find a faster problem. Okay, the second problem here says solve by using the addition property of equality. The equation is x minus 9 equals 17. So we can solve this equation by adding 9 to each side, and 9 plus 17 is 26. So I know that the correct answer is 26, but I'm going to type the wrong answer, say 20. I'm going to check my answer. Tells me that's incorrect. It's going to give me another opportunity to try to answer this question, and maybe I type 22 and I check that. That's incorrect. Try again. Gives me a hint. I'm not going to change my answer. Now notice I've got a final check here. You're typically going to have 3 opportunities to answer a question incorrectly. All right, so that's incorrect. Now, I have an option of moving to the next question and missing that, or working a similar question. And that's what you want to do. Work a similar question. It's going to change the numbers, similar objective, and you'll be able to work this problem out, get it correct, and get full credit for your homework. All right, so these are some of the homework features and features within MyLab Math. As always, if you have questions, just shoot them out to me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.